Good day from Bergamo, Milano, Italy. Let me show you what 50 euro can get you in Bergamo, Italy. Alright, here is the kitchen. There is small TV, fridge, and it's empty at the moment. Big living room, also kitchen. Here is my stuff. Here's the bathroom, gigantic, and here is the king size bed. Here is it's pretty big actually. I slept here good, but the mattress here is quite rough. It was a bit too rough for my back, and the pillows also, they were quite hard to sleep on, for I'm used to. And but yeah, overall it was actually quite okay, except that here is the view to my back to my street. Here you can see it goes this way. It's quite quiet here. Not much noise, except some cars that driving, and there is some kind of things that how it's called, the one that car goes, some metallic noise, but it's you cannot hear it at all. So let me show you the bathroom. It's enormous. It has huge sink, bidet, toilet, washing machine, cleaning, vacuum cleaner, and the bathtub. And also you got big closet here that has some cleaning, some toilet paper. Here is a blow dryer. If you need a blow dryer, you don't need to bring your own. You can have this one too. It's quite convenient. So yeah, it's a huge bathroom. I think it's like another room. You can even sleep here, like put the mattress here and just sleep. So yeah, there's hot water. Then there is these batteries. These are quite hot, and they work on. The owner said that they work on the gas, not on the electricity. And here you regulate your heat. So he put it on when we came to here yesterday, and all of the batteries, they're hot. They were like cold. There's another here. Well, in Italy, the temperature now is like plus 12. Now today is let me check, 19th of December, and the weather is sunny. Welcome to the sunny Bergamo, Italy. The sun is shining, blue sky, and it's perfect. So yeah, this is what 50 euro can get you in Bergamo, Italy. It's actually close to the airport, not so close, it's like a few kilometers, and you can take bus that goes here straight from airport. I think you need to take 2 buses, but I have used I was walking, and then I took electric scooter, how do you call it? But I'd not recommend it because it doesn't work in some areas, so you have to bring it, stop it, and you cannot go further. So the better choice, you can go with the bus, you can go with the Uber, with the taxi. The problem with the Uber though, you cannot find it easily, because I tried yesterday and it took me 40 minutes and I didn't find it. So it was really, if you hear, because the city, the owner told me that the city has only 5,000 people. It's really quiet, small. As you can see, it has this kind of old-fashioned stone buildings. Really nice. It has this cool balcony. So yeah, here is 50 euro. It has everything. It was nice. The bed was a little bit hard, but the mattress. But yeah, if you want to, I leave everything in description below. If you want to link a link, and you can contact the owner when you're gonna be in the Bergamo. But yeah, in the next video, I'm gonna show you. I'm flying to Spain, Malaga, so I'm gonna show you the airport and how we quickly arrive from the airport of Spain to Malaga to center. So yeah, see you next time.